Hello and welcome back to channel T Lover. So if you are new to the channel, please make a subscription on our channel and do not forget to click on bell icon for our latest update. So today also I am here with a new video for you. As you all know that we are providing free domain and free hosting, free YouTube views, subscriber and watch hour for your YouTube videos. Also the solution for the error of AdSense and monetization of YouTube. So there are a lot of video where you can get the free traffic for your website. That might be organic traffic or might be the bot traffic, but also you can get the approval for the Google website using this traffic. So if you have any confusion regarding any topic, then you can directly contact me through tlover2054 in the Instagram. Also I've kept the other medium in my blog like Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, Instagram or mail also. I'll provide this all link in the description below. So in the topic of today, I am here to provide you a free premium domain for you. If you are making a plan to create a website or you are thinking to get the revenue from the website using the Google ad or any other advertisement on your website, then this video might 100% work for you. So this is my site. I have approved the Google AdSense in this site. So using this Google AdSense, I get some revenue. Using this ad, I get paid every month and I can earn the digital currency sitting at home. So if you like to earn the money from the website, then this video is very helpful for you. So let's begin how to get a free domain. You need domain and hosting for your website. So if there is no hosting for you, then I have a number of videos related to how to get a free hosting for your website. So in this video I'll only tell about the domain. If you want for the hosting, you can check other video from my channel or you can subscribe more for other free hostings I'll provide in next video. Okay, so let's begin for the today. So for that you have to go to any Chrome browser and you have to type this link over here. So I'll provide this link in the description also, and this site name is combell.com. so go for the site. As you see that this is the home page of your site, so you have to just click on the accept over here so that your cookies will accept by the site. So now let's scroll down. So this is the home page. As you see that, so you will see the interface like this, but when you scroll up you can find that .com is at $8.99, .eu as $2.99, .be as $2.99. so these all are paid members. I'll tell you how to get a free domain from this website. So this is very genuine website, so it does not make a scam for you. It will provide the domain that you have ordered over here. Okay, so you do not need any payment method also. The best part is over here. Okay, so we'll move for that. And one thing I'll share about you this site is that you can create a website by using this site without any hosting and domain at 0.00 per month. So if you want more information about this, then you can directly DM in Instagram for more information. So let's begin. So just go up and you will find a enter a domain name box over here. So in that domain box you have to type your domain name. So I'm keeping as a T Lover. You can choose as you wanted as your domain name. After putting your domain name, you have to type an extension for that domain. So here you have to type the free extension for your domain name so that you can get a free. So it's .free. Okay, so type this domain name with this extension. Okay, so just go for the search domain. When you go for the search domain, you can find a .free and it will be available over here. So you can find a number of domain which are paid over here just below there. You can buy this domain also, but I don't suggest you to buy this domain because you will get the .free domain here without any payment method and without any payment for this site. Okay, so just now you have to keep this domain in the cart. So putting the domain in the cart, you have to just click on the pre-register this domain in the register. So this domain is being register within a month, so you can directly pre-order this domain. Okay, so you can get this domain within the month over here. I know if you want the instant domain, then you can check out the other video from my here. You can get this .free domain within a month. So you can just register over here and leave for a month and you can get that domain also. So when you put this domain in the pre-cart, then you have to go to the chart. Here you can find that there is no obligation for this domain, so you do not need any payment method to complete this order without any money for you. You can also check its due is $00, so you can go for the complete your order. So in this page you have to fill the information about yourself. So just make a information over here. So after putting your information, you have to go to the payment overview. But before that, I want to tell you that if you just create a fake account and use a fake address, then your domain will not be accepted over here. So remember this thing over here. So go to the payment overview. So here also you can find that there is no increase amount in your price. Here you can clearly see that there is no any payment method also, and there is no any money also. So before going for the place the order, you have to just check out the tick box in the I accept the general condition and privacy policy. So after checkouting this privacy policy, you have to just go for the place an order. Finally our order has been successfully placed over here. Okay, so we'll check our order over here. So we'll just go for the Combel home page and we'll go for the login option. So here I do not found any checkbox for the password option, so I'll just go for the forgot my password. So just click on the forgot your password. Here you have to provide your email and you have to go for the next option over here. So after that you have to go for the inbox and you can find a mail from that combel.com. So this is the mail, as you see that combel.nb. Just click on it and you have to choose your password over here. So finally this is the page and we can create a password over here. Okay, so I'll set a password over here. After setting the password, you have to go for the next step. Now you have to go for the proceed, and finally we are in the dashboard over here. So you can clearly see that we have no any active product, but we have ordered the .free domain. So we'll check out that domain over here. For that you have to just go for the my product, and here you can see our pre-registration of domain name. So just click on this. Now you can find that your tillawardofficial.free, this extension is free, so it has been registered on this date, and you can find the status that it has been informed. They have already informed about the registration of that .free domain. This is how you can get the free premium domain for your website. So after getting this domain, you can just go for the my channel link and you can find many free hosting for your website, and after that you can find the free SSL also from the using this video on my website, and also the website traffic for your website, and you can get the approval for your AdSense editor. And if you got any confusion regarding this thing, then you can directly make a contact me through Instagram, or also I have kept the other link in my blog. I'll provide this link and the video of today's link also in the description below. If you like the video, then please hit like, do subscribe our channel, and also do not forget to click on the bell icon for our latest update. Thanks for watching this video till our official channel. Like, share and subscribe will value your support. Thank you.